When there are wildfires burning in or around Colorado, many of us consider air quality before spending a weekend outside. Well, a new project wants to see if that's something we should think about for our dogs, too. Colette Bordelon with Scripps News Group in Denver explains how the study could benefit people as well.
So this study, it's blending two areas that Colorado State University specializes in: veterinary medicine and better understanding air quality as it relates to wildfires. I spoke with Colleen Duncan, who's been with the university for around 20 years, who explained this project.
So the air quality index is developed for people for really good reason, to protect the health of people. And so you can make informed decisions about what to do that day. Unfortunately for animals, we don't have like an animal equivalent, right?
This is Mozzarella. He's highly regarded as everyone's favorite employee here at Denver 7, and his distant relatives, golden retrievers all across the country, are making this study possible. Researchers at CSU will work on this for about 2 years using pre-existing data from the Golden Retriever Lifetime Study, which follows dogs throughout their entire lives, to identify any risk factors that might lead to cancer or other diseases. I'm told a lot of times what we learn from animals can be translated to people too.
Are there things that we can learn from dogs that also help people? Because it can be very hard to figure out an individual person's lifetime exposure, right? If you live till 80 years, first of all, it takes 80 years to do that study. So can we maybe learn some things from dogs, in their sort of shorter time with us?
Those behind this study believe this work is especially important with more and more wildfires in our future. Colette Bordelon, Scripps News Group.